This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce dip. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1½ cups of whole milk. For seasoning, have ready 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg. These basic items are the foundation for a delicious, creamy dip. Ensure everything is measured and ready to go before you begin cooking. Now, let's create the roux, which is the thickening agent for our dip. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted and shimmering, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 1 minute. This cooks out the raw flour taste and forms a smooth, pale paste. This golden roux is the crucial base for a perfectly smooth white sauce. With your roux ready, it's time to add the milk. Slowly pour in 1½ cups of cold milk, whisking continuously to avoid any lumps. Keep whisking as the sauce gently heats and begins to thicken. It should become smooth and creamy, coating the back of a spoon. Finally, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and that pinch of nutmeg for a subtle warmth. Once your white sauce dip has reached your desired consistency, remove it from the heat. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if necessary to achieve that perfect flavor balance. This versatile dip is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm with your favorite fresh vegetables, crispy chips, or crunchy crackers. It's also fantastic over pasta or as a base for other sauces. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.